Alright, we have another mystery bundle video. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, it's at adriananoodle, and I do have an art Instagram as well. Okay, so today's bundle video is gonna be super exciting and like super interesting and different. I had someone, actually they commented on one of my videos. She had a Leo themed mystery box and I'm a Leo, so I thought, oh my gosh, this is perfect, like I can try something new out. So this bundle costed me $50 plus $10 shipping, so in total this was a $60 bundle. Leave you guys up the conversation that I had so you guys have an idea of what I'm kind of expecting. And to be honest guys, like I'm not really into like astrology or like zodiac stuff. Like I know that sounds like really dumb because like why did I even buy one of these bundles if I'm not even into that? But I wanted to try something new and I don't know, I was pretty intrigued. Okay, so here is the box and I feel really bad because she has been waiting for me to unbox this. Here's the box. It's a pretty large box, so, and it does have a note that says open first, and I know she wanted me to do that, so I'm gonna open this note. It's really honestly so sweet and just so awesome. I think like you can tell she like really knows what she's doing as far as my sign and who I am and stuff like that. Yeah, that is really sweet. Okay, I'm gonna get to opening. Oh. Okay, so everything is labeled and to be opened in order, which is very organized. So here is the first item that she labeled. Whoa, this is so sick. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Whoa, this is awesome. Button up like plaid shirt, except it's in this rainbow, super colorful. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I love this. And there's the brand. Yes, I love this so much already. This is so exciting. Okay, so she said the top was giving her like 90s vibes, super colorful. Yeah, I could definitely see like the 90s vibes that she was talking about, and she did mention about like tucking it into like high-waisted jeans and like an interesting belt. So that's what I did. That's how I styled it. So I just have like these thrifted black jeans, and then I have this like embellished gold belt, and I did like a half tuck and like an unbutton, and I just left the shirt all loose. And yeah, this is such a freaking cool piece. I love it. I'm definitely getting the vibes. Okay, on to item number 2. Ooh, another funky piece. Oh, that is honestly so cool. And it's just like a little bra top, but it's like plaid and it's purple and blue. And then there is the brand. This is like badass kind of plaid little bra top. Like, oh yeah, like I'm here for it. Wow, wow, wow. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this so much. It's honestly so interesting, and I don't think I've ever just worn these kinds of tops. I don't own any, and I've never just kind of felt bold enough to wear these, but because of the fact that it's in this like funky print, I'm like totally feeling it and I love it. And honestly, it's so flattering on me, and like she watches my videos and she knew that like I don't have a lot of moments where I feel sexy, so I feel like she just, you know, wanted to give me something that I could rock and wear, and I'm so happy for that. On to item number 3. Ooh, a nice accessory. So we have a red belt, and I love this red color, and I definitely don't have any really colored belts. I have like one rainbow one, but that's about it. I don't have any like solid colored belts. For the belt, she mentioned like pairing it with this flannel shirt because of the reds. They kind of went together. And then I have these thrifted black shorts. Here's a little close-up of the belt. I really like this belt, and I always like to have colored belts just to have an interesting kind of accessory to add to my outfit. And I do like the colors together. Okay, on to item number 4. Alright, that is... yes, this is freaking awesome too. It's like an animal, mixed animal print checkered printed top. That is honestly sick as well. I love this like bold print, and I don't even think I own any animal print, so this is my first animal print clothing item, and it's honestly a really awesome piece. That is really cool. So there's the tag. It's a vintage notations, the bold print, and it's just everything I like. So really awesome. In her notes, she said it was neutral yet bold, and that is perfect. Like, I love a good bold print, and just this animal print, just it's very stylish, very chic. So I paired it with these high-waisted, like wide leg trousers. They have this paper bag waist, and I did thrift these, but they're originally a Target brand, and I thought like this was a really cool, very chic kind of outfit. I could wear this to work, or I could wear this going out. And the thing about these like silky printed tops, I have come across a few of them at the thrift store, but the thing is that they're always like in a bigger size and they end up looking very boxy on me. But this one is actually a size small, so it fits me. I also love the silkiness of it. Makes it very comfortable, very wearable. I could layer with this, or I could just have it on its own, and it works out really well. So definitely another awesome piece. Now, item number 5. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. They're like silky, shiny, like satiny pants in like a cream color. Oh my gosh, super luxurious, fancy. And they're so like nice quality too. And then there's the brand. Wow, I really honestly don't know what to say. Like, these are fantastic pair of pants. Ooh, look at these. These are amazing. They're so bougie, so luxurious feeling. Just the satiny, silky. Only thing is that they're just a little long, but that's not a problem. I could probably get them hemmed and probably tailored as well, just because they're just a little too big. In her notes, she did say to pair the pants with the top that I just tried on, but I wanted to like go for like a really fancy kind of outfit, so this is what I came up with. Nothing much else to say. I'm just like blown away by all these like really nice quality pieces. Okay, we are on to item number 6. We got some very bold statement earrings. Very bold gold statement earrings with this kind of like tortoise shell pattern on it. Yes, these are very statement, but I like the tones of it. They're like brown and neutral, so I feel like they could go with a lot of outfits. So I do really like these. It's definitely something new. Okay, so item number 7. Oh yeah, I love this. Yes, it's another printed button-up shirt, which y'all know I'm all about printed button-up shirts, and this one has like a nice floral pattern on it, and it's in these lovely brown colors, which is perfect for fall. And then there's the brand. And it also has this kind of like velvet trim on the collars and on the ends of the sleeves, so that's a nice little detail. Yeah, I'm loving this top as well. I am honestly just obsessed with this velvet trim that it has. Like, I've never seen a top that has that. And here's a close-up. You guys can see it has like a velvet trim lining on the collar and then on the sleeves as well. Oh, it's so amazing. Okay, so this is item number 8, which is the last item of this bundle, which is sad because I love reading all her little descriptions and her little notes for each item. But alright, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Yeah, it's like this super structured like dress. It's super nice quality, and it comes with a belt, and it's in this lovely like brick red color. And then there's the brand, you guys. So you guys know like this brand has a lot of nice quality. This is a beautiful piece. I'm done. This is so... I'm speechless. Wow. Okay. Wow. What a way to end this freaking bundle. This is the most amazing dress ever. I feel like so high fashion. And she suggested to wear the dress with this blouse, and oh my gosh, I love the like mixing. And on top of that with the statement earrings again, just yes. But hold on guys. What if... Oh my god. Yo, I feel like honestly on top of the world right now. That's how I feel. I feel like I own my own fashion brand and that I'm rich and famous. This is honestly awesome, and it's just what I needed, just what I wanted, you know? I just needed that little like confidence boost, trying something different with my fashion, and I'm really glad that she gave me all these pieces because I can't wait to rock all these pieces with some fire outfits. Okay, anyways, yeah, no complaints about this. I just think it's really nice that she gave me a nice, kind of like an expensive piece, I guess. Like, I mean, the quality is amazing. It's a good brand, and I know something like this would have gone for a lot of money originally. It's nice of her to include that, and I also like the fiery red. Creative, like, interesting statement kind of vibes, you know? And that's what I enjoy a lot, so... I think she just did really good with all these pieces. She matched like the Leo, but also like matched like my tastes, and just like it was just like it felt like these were really catered to me. 10 out of 10, fantastic. Love all these pieces. Okay, I just read the last of the note, and wow, that was honestly amazing. That was like a truly unique experience. Like, I don't know how to really explain to you guys. I think just with like reading the note and just every piece, like I could really tell that she really thought each piece out and even gave me tips on how to style them. I think she did a really good job, and I definitely would recommend her. So yeah, her name is Lauren, and her Depop is at Mine Riot Resale, and that's also her Instagram as well. So Lauren, thank you so much. Like, thank you 1,000 times. Like, that was such a fun experience, honestly. That is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and take care, stay positive, and always be creative. Alright, see you next time. Bye!